Today, we're going to overhaul an existing project using a multi-agent setup. To achieve this, the OpenCode DeepSeek VE4 Flash and the Nexus Product Management Agent will work in perfect synchronization. Building a project from scratch with AI agents is generally pretty straightforward. However, when you try to refactor an existing codebase, LLMs often lose track of the context, which can easily break the project. That's why we'll be synchronizing our project context with Nexus using a minimal token count. This allows us to safely revise a legacy project without ever losing sight of the broader picture. First, let's select our target. I'm choosing a widely known legacy PHP forum script. It's a script with a very outdated and mediocre design. I've downloaded the files and dropped them right into my localhost directory. Next, I'll create a new project from the Nexus console. I download the Nexus connection file, place it into the project's root directory, and feed it to our coding agent as its primary context. Without missing a beat, I input the prompt to synchronize the local project with Nexus and fire up the agent. After a brief moment, I check back in the Nexus console. The high-level architecture has already started populating within Nexus. Because the local agent and Nexus now share the exact same contextual view, they are completely synced up. What's really impressive is that it completed this synchronization using the DeepSeek VE4 Flash model with about 80K input tokens and only 350 to 400 output tokens. It practically costs nothing in terms of token usage. Now, I'll run through the standard installation process for the script. Once that's done, I'll seed it with a few users and sample posts. Time for the real test. I issue a new command to my local agent: create a modern theme that fits the existing architecture. It immediately reconnects with Nexus, analyzing the database schemas and the design files. It moves forward step by step, constantly consulting the Nexus agent for validation. Finally, the refactoring process is complete. The agent successfully swapped out a severely outdated Bootstrap library in the theme, upgrading it to a modern version without breaking a single part of the system. Taking another look at the Nexus console, we can see that the new database and design elements have also been perfectly mapped and synchronized. We achieved all of this with an incredibly low token footprint. From here on out, executing any further revisions will be a breeze. As Nexus continues to refactor the project, it will learn more about the codebase, paving the way for increasingly flawless updates every single day. Thanks for watching.